What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike, Centric 300, and in today's video I will be telling you guys how to set up your amp wiring for 2017, 2016, 2018, whatever year, 10th gen Honda Civic. And I'll tell you guys this before I begin. In order to do this, you need patience and the ability to just pay attention to details. All right, so I'll begin first by saying this: a car at the end of the day is just a box with four wheels, an engine, and some electronics. Okay, when it was made, obviously someone had to put parts in it, so all these parts are removable, and you don't have to be a genius to do it. So also, before I begin, I just want to thank all you guys who support me for my videos, who've been coming back to watch my videos and also liking them. I appreciate it. And if you do find this video helpful, just hit that like button and also subscribe. So I'll begin with this here. I'm not a professional technician or anything. I mean, I looked at a video for my Acura TL a couple years back and I applied the same thing here. So what you're gonna need obviously is a amp wiring kit. You could buy it at Walmart for like maybe $30, $20 or $30, cheaper online if you want. But this is what you're going to have to do. So let's imagine this whole engine was in here. There's a firewall back there where you see that that red cable. And when I say firewall, I mean like it's literally like a plastic, something that's like right next to the steering wheel column on the bottom. That's like a plastic opening. It's not an opening at all, but you're gonna have to either cut it or poke a hole through it. But you have to be careful. It's down there. Now, the way I did this, I tried two ways. First, you could get a thin, like a wire style hanger coat, and then straighten it and then poke a hole through there. Or like from this way, but that's way harder. So what I did was I did it the opposite direction. I got a coat wire hanger and poked it in through this way. And I mean, this part is pretty simple. I just used a screwdriver, and I don't want to touch that right now, but you see what I did there? It's not the best of cabling, but I actually damaged the metal piece right there, but it's fine. I've had this car for about 9 months. I had no issues, so it should be good. But anyway, if we go to the back here, what I did was I routed that wire from the front all the way from through the side, all the way through the back over here. And yes, I know my amp's not even hooked up, and my sub's over there, and my trunk's dirty. It's a work in progress. But yeah, this is the cable right here, right? And then this is my ground. My ground is, I'll show you guys this in a more in-depth video, but it's under here. And I drilled it to some metal that I scraped and then made sure it was a good ground. So yeah, I'll show you guys the inside part of what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me try to get in there for you guys. So you guys see where that red wire is, right? Now you could remove this right here. Yeah, I'm gonna make an in-depth video for you guys, but you could, that right there, you could remove it. I can't do it right now because I'm not in the best position. Actually, I can. Let me see. You see it? That right there is the boot. This right there is my ground wire, and as you can see, oh no, that's not my ground wire. I apologize. That's just some other cable, but that other cable is also connected to what I'm speaking about. That boot right there, the black thing right there, is the boot. That right there is the boot. You lift this up, you see that I put my that cable right here, and it's not even, I actually didn't even sorry for the camera, I didn't even poke a hole through. I just put it to the side, and I got a coat hanger and taped it to this, poked it through there. It's a difficult position to show you guys. Anyway, I got a coat hanger, poked it through there, and then I had some guidance with a friend. I had to get a friend to help me out, but I poked the hole through there, or whatever you want to call it. I poked it through there and then pulled the metal it's hard because you don't want to poke an engine, cut any of these gaskets open. But I saw it coming out through the top. You have to guide it. Either you get a hard coat wire hanger or some tool. That was my best advice to you guys. But yeah, you get that and then you see it peeking out the top. You have to get a friend to tell you, oh, turn left, turn right. When you see it, get something to grab it or physically grab it with your hand, pull it out, then there you go. Then you connect that to your battery terminal. Now, as far as the side over here, let me show you. This wire, the red wire over there, is underneath this right here. All these parts, like that's what I said when I mentioned the car, all these parts come off. All you got to do is just take this this right here off, this right here off, and you can either use your hand or get like a pry tool, but it's not too difficult. Yeah, so that's all hidden under here. Take that all off, take this off, take this off. This piece, yeah, I could have took it off, but I was just like, you know what, it's more work, so I just kind of left it here, as you see. And this is my remote wire as well. Yeah, so it's pretty simple, and you can see some of the red wire back there. Because this is the coupe, I kind of just opened the door, and I said open the door, I apologize. I opened the back seat and just slipped it through there instead of doing the extra stuff. And this was just easier for me. So that's kind of the rundown. I'll make a more in-depth video and you guys will see the rail steps. But yeah, that's it for the video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section. And if you found this video to be helpful, definitely give it a like. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one.